Brian Tessier here, RE/MAX Advanced Realtors, and we have an awesome one today, 5023 Stag's Leap Lane in Moon Township. You know, I love America, and there's nothing I love more than helping buyers achieve the American dream, and that's home ownership. Not enough time to get to the gym? Plenty of room in the home gym downstairs, no excuses. And on the way out to the patio after a tough workout, come through here and grab yourself a drink. Brand new custom built patio with Pennsylvania bluestone. Kick your feet up after a long day at work, enjoy the view.